Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're recreating those viral Pinterest Arabian makeup looks. You know, the ones super bold eyes, flawless base, hijab friendly. And yes, it works even if you're a beginner. Let's do it. I'm keeping it budget today. Just concealer, black Kajal eyeliner, eyeshadow palette, mascara, and lipstick. That's it. No 20 brush set. If I can do it with this, so can you. Arabian makeup is all about that smooth base, no stress brows. This look needs sharp brows. Fill them but don't make them too thin. Natural but defined. Eyes the main part. Take dark brown and crease. Blend. Now black Kajal on lash line, tight line. Don't be scared of black, wing it out a little. That's the Arabian vibe. I'm going nude because eyes are already bold. Dab lipstick. Don't paint like wall. This is that Pinterest Arabian look without 1 hour effort. If you recreate this, tag me on Insta. Comment Arabian eyes if you loved it. Like, share with your makeup bestie, and subscribe for more 5-minute tutorials.